Okay, in the previous video we created a website, we created our email accounts, and started designing a little bit of the site. Now what we want to do is go back and then finish that. So we're going to go back to the control panel, which is smallbusiness.yahoo.com. Take a second for this to come up. And we're going to click right here, access your account. I've already been logged in a couple times, so it remembers my account. And the website that we created was bellareport.com. This is for, the good news that we're going to try to glean from different sources. And you can see that, again, we set up the email, we designed our site, and now we're going to promote it. There's really no content out there, but we're going to actually add a blog to it later on. So the first thing that we want to do is submit the site to the search engine. So we're going to click on this button right here. And what that does is, although we don't have a lot of content, it will go ahead and submit it to Yahoo, Google, and MSN. And what this means is, as you add content and new things to your site, these search engines will crawl the website. They're going to go through the website, see what you have on there in the way of images and text and everything else. And so when you have a product or service and customers are looking for that, if they go to Google and type in one of those things, you'll come back in the results. Now there's a difference between coming up at the top and being at the bottom. And basically the way most of the websites do this is by the relevant of the content and how many links you have to your site. And so if you have, Facebook accounts, Twitter accounts, any other, maybe YouTube or something like that, anything that can link to your site, they'll see the links pointing to your site, and that makes it go up in relevance on the search engine. So this is actually a pretty important task. It takes a few minutes here, but once they're submitted, you can also log into your control panel and see how many people have been clicking on your website. And when the search engines crawl your website, they'll show as clicks too. We may actually write some code to figure out who's crawling your website, so you can see how often they are doing that. Should be finished in a second here. So while this is going, I don't want to keep everybody wasting your time. Here we go. I was about to move on, but we'll go ahead and close this. So now it's been submitted. You can send out emails like it's saying. You can create a local listing, which is if you have a local business, you can promote your business. It's kind of like the Yellow Pages, so people can see that. If we go back to the small business home, access your site, control panel. Let this come up. You can see that it's done. This is saying it's in progress, and just because that one step, submitting it to the search engines, takes so long. But we can actually go to the website, although there's nothing here really, but we're about to fix that. There we go. Here is our blank website. If we go back to the small business control panel, although the site is live, let's go access account, control panel, control panel. Now we can start seeing activity, so nobody's really going to the site yet. If we hit create and update, we can change our site. And this is how we add content to the site. So it's telling us that we need to add services about us, contact us. And again, we can go in here and click and change things around. So now it's kind of officially out there. Again, we're going to add a blog in the next video and start uploading some content. So see you then.